Skydiving is a really interesting confront with fear. So you get there, you have this safety brief. The guys will tell you, well, if the chute doesn't open, what's going to happen is... So you get onto the airplane and you're sitting there and nobody's stopping. Everybody's still going. Everything's normal. So you fly and you go up, you go up, you go up, you go up to 14,000 feet.
All right, you nervous?
No.
You're strong. Show me your hands. I'll steer your leg.
I think I was going to go open.
Yeah. Well, I'll see you there.
See you.
Okay.
You go up to 14,000 feet and somebody opens the door. And in that moment, you realize you've never been in a freaking airplane with the door open. Terror, 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 terror. And then people start going out of the airplane. And the guy walks you up to the end of the thing, and you're standing and your toes are on the edge, and you're looking out down to death. They say, on 3. 1, 2, and he pushes you on 2 because people grab on 3. And you fall out of the airplane, and in 1 second, you realize that it's the most blissful experience of your life. You're flying. There's zero fear. You realize that the point of maximum danger is the point of minimum fear. The lesson for me was, why were you scared in your bed the night before? What do you need that fear for? Everything up to the stepping out, there's actually no reason to be scared. And then in that moment, all of a sudden, where you should be terrified is the most blissful experience of your life. And God placed the best things in life on the other side of fear.
Welcome to skydiving.
Woo! This is amazing! Awesome!
Yo! Beautiful landing!
Awesome!
High five, how was that?
Amazing!
Amazing.
Best time of my life.
Fantastic.
Amazing.
Welcome to skydiving.
Awesome, I love it.